Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use analysis on your games on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said at the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to use analysis on your games on chess.com. If you want to do that, scroll down until you find this completed games section in your home screen. Of course, here, click on analysis or analyze on any game that you would like to use analysis on. Make sure if you are not paying for a premium plan, you'll not have this option of analyzing or analyzing every game that you have played. So it will not be unlimited. If you have the free plan, you'll have the option to analyze one game per day or review one game per day. So if you want to review all of your games, make sure to go and use your free trial or even go and pay for your premium subscription. And of course, once you have that, simply go and click on analyze on the game that you would like to use analysis on. And here, for me, as you can see on that pop-out, I've used my analyze for the day, so I cannot use this anymore. But here, of course, if you have it, you'll find in the review and analysis every good move you made, every bad move you made, why you should do that, and a lot of other stuff. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.